Hello students, today we are going to revise something very important, number system. Then we will move on to Hcf and LCM. So this is very important for to make your basics very strong. First of all, you should have knowledge of all the numbers. Only then you can play with them. For example, you should know like what is a number system. So number system is basically the way of classifying numbers. So you should know about all the numbers. Only then you can categorize them, classifying them. Let's start from the broadest category. Okay, so what is first of all you should know about the natural numbers. What is natural numbers? Okay, natural numbers. So natural number is the number we use for counting. Okay, like 1 2 3 4 5 and so on. All are natural numbers. Natural numbers do not include 0. 0 is not a natural number. So for example, like number of students in a class. Okay, so this will include only natural number. Okay, so this is natural number n, and okay, so this is the natural number. Next, whole number. Okay, what is whole number? So whole numbers are, we denote these by w, natural number by n. Whole numbers include 0 along with natural numbers. Okay, so that means 0 1 2 3 4 5 including, so like 0 1 2 3 4. Okay, these are natural number. So that means, is 0 a natural number? Is 0 a natural number? No, 0 is not a natural number. Is 0 a whole number? Yes, 0 is whole number. Yeah, we can say, right? Okay, so till now we learn about natural numbers 1 2 3 4 5 and whole number 0 1 2 3 4 5. 0 plus natural number, 0 plus natural is whole number. Okay, so you also heard about the integers. So what are integers? So next is integer. Integer is basically negative, 0 and positive. Okay, so sum of all these. So basically not exactly the sum, including all these numbers are called integers. So we learned about 0 1 2 3 4 natural numbers and negative of these numbers, right? Like that. Okay, so all of these are integers. There is some range of integers. We will learn about this in the upcoming videos. Okay, so this is 0. These are the positive integers and these are negative integers. Okay, so we learned about like negative 0 1 2 3 4 natural numbers, minus 1 minus 2 minus 3 minus 4. Okay, negative integers. So next is, okay, so along with this line we have 3 types of number. These are natural, these are whole numbers, and all of these are integers. So next comes rational numbers. Okay, so these are very important basics to move further. Rational numbers, any number that can be written in the form p by q, जिसको हम p by q की form में लिख सकें. Okay, where p and q are integers any one of these, and q should not be equal to 0. Okay, q should not be equal to 0. Example, 1 by 2 minus 3 by 5, any number, any guesses, like 0.75, okay, like this. All, so basically all integers are rational numbers, because any integer can be written as p by 1. For example, I can say 2 is also a rational number, which is 2 by 1, right? Okay, so next is like irrational numbers. Okay, so next is irrational number. So rational number was any number written in the form of p by q. So these cannot written as p by q, cannot be written as p by q. Okay, examples, square root of 2, square root of 3, like this. So like pi, right? So basically the number which do not have the complete square root, right? So those numbers are irrational numbers. So till now we know about the like these are the natural numbers. 0 plus natural number is the whole number, natural, whole numbers, and whole number plus negative numbers. These are integers. Okay, yeah. Then rational number in the form of p by q, which cannot be written in the form of p by q, that is like square root of 2, square root of 3, pi. These are irrational numbers. So in this series, next is real numbers. Real numbers. So basically all rational plus irrational numbers together are called real numbers. Okay, so all the rational plus irrational numbers are like real numbers. That means every number you can think of on the number line. So basically it includes all the rational numbers, okay, on the number line. So next is HCF and LCM. So what is HCF? HCF is the highest common factor. So highest common factor, for example, we have two numbers, okay, 24 and 36. So what should be the HCF of these two? HCF of these two should be the number, okay, the number which so that should be the greatest number that divides both of them exactly. Okay, जो number इन दोनों को exactly divide कर पाए. So for example, let's do factor of 24. Okay, so this 6 2 3. So factor of 24 would be 2 into 2 into 2 into 3. Okay, next is 36. So factors are 2 into 2 into 3 into 3, which is equals to 2 raised to power 3 into 3, and for 36 this is 2 raised to the power 2 into 3 raised to the power 2. So these are so let's take the common factors from both of them with the lowest power. So what are those? 2 raised to power 2 into 3, which includes 2 raised to power 2 and 3. Okay, so 2 is the common factor, but lowest power is 2, and 3 is also common factor and the lowest power is 1. So 2 raised to power 2 into 4 into 3. which is 12. So we said like HCF of two numbers should be the like greatest number that divides both of them exactly. So 12 can divide both of them exactly. 12 2s are 24, 12 3s are 36. Yeah. So next is LCM. LCM is the least common multiple. What's that? LCM of two number is the smallest number that is divisible by all of them. Okay, so LCM is the smallest number that is divisible by all of them. For example, we are getting LCM of 2 3 numbers. So LCM of 3 numbers should be that one smallest number that is divisible by all of them, and opposite to that, HCF is the greatest number that divides all of them exactly, and LCM is the smallest number that is divisible by all of them. For example, LCM of 24 and 36, same numbers. So that should be the smallest number that is divisible by all of them. That means that is divisible by 24 and 36. And for HCF, we should get the number that divides them exactly. So for LCM, we will get a number that is divisible by 24 and 36. So let's do, for example, we'll do the factor of, we already did. So this was like, for 36, the factors was like 3 raised to power 2. So again, we will take the prime factors but with the highest powers. Okay, so this is highest power, 2 raised to power 3 into 3 raised to the power 2.